You. Yeah, you. I'm looking at my eyes. I'm telling you. I need your help right now. That bear has been captured and abused me like a bouncy ball. Look what he has done to me. I am now tortured as well. If you better start running, you'll be brave as you see. You could do whatever you want in this place. And because if you don't, you suddenly end up like me. Holy shit! Joe, that's him! Go! Run for it, kid! Run! Please don't tell me! I don't have to! Tell us! I didn't do anything wrong!
It's huge, your time is up. Prepare for the most of the chainsaws.
Oh, good lord! Oh, no, 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 no.
From what she says, stick around, 'cause the special ingredients always find out.